How to fix scan options missing in virus and threat protection on Windows 11. Hello friends, are you not getting the scan options in Windows Security app? These options are Quick Scan, Full Scan, Customized Scan, and Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. Fixing this problem is pretty easy. Follow these steps. Go to the description of this video and click on the given link. This will download SecurityHealthSetup.zip. Go to the download location and extract the file. To do this, click on File Explorer icon, find SecurityHealthSetup.zip and right click on this file. Select Extract All. Click on Extract. Right click on SecurityHealthSetup.exe and select Run as Administrator. Command prompt will appear a couple of times and the issue will be fixed. Check by opening Security app. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.